and welcome back to Code VIT. This is today's Vpropel question, that is find numbers upside down. Though it's a very easy question, but still till now only 20 or 21 submissions have been done by the students on Vpropel. I don't know why. It's really very easy question. The code for this question can be written in C, C++, Java, anything, because it's not the code for this one is not hard. We just have to use if conditions and all these things. You can even go with for loop. So what I'll do is I'll provide all the code. In fact, the C++ code for this question in the PDF, which I usually provide in the WhatsApp. Okay, so from there you can get the code. Let me first explain the question. See, over here, in the question they'll be providing you with the difference. Okay, and the one thing which you have to notice that the value of difference is always going to be greater than 0. Okay, and so based on that difference you have to find two numbers. The first one is going to be the original number and the second number is going to be the upside down number. Okay, suppose see this is 08. If you upside down this number, you'll be getting 80, and difference between 80 and 8 is 72. Okay, so they're going to provide you with 72 and you have to find these two numbers. Okay, this is what we have to do, and these two numbers have to be printed by a space. So let me explain what we have to do. See, it's given in the question that we are only having 2 digits number. Okay, the 2 digits number, there are only 2 digits. We don't need to check for the 3 digits, 4 digits and all these things, just for 2 digits. Now see, in case of numbers 0, 0, 1, 6, 9, 8, these are the numbers which have upside down valid numbers. For example, suppose if I take this 0 and do its upside down, then I'll be getting 0. Upside down value of 1 is 1. Upside down value of 6 is 9, whereas upside down value of 9 is 6, and upside down value of 8 is 8. Okay, so these are some upside down values of the numbers. Except these numbers, there is no other number which has a proper upside down value. Okay, for example, if you will take 2 and do its upside down, so you won't get a valid number. Same thing goes for 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, so these are the numbers. Now considering these numbers, I have made a pair of original numbers and their upside down numbers, and I have even written their differences. Okay, see, for example, 1 and 10, these are the numbers. Okay, this is the original number, this is the upside down number, and the difference between them is 9. 0, 6 and 90, they both are upside down pairs, and difference between them is 86. Similarly, 90, 60, 19, 61, 16, 91, 8, 80, 68, 89, 66, 99. Okay, so these are the numbers, these are the original numbers, and these are their upside down values, and these are the difference between them. And only these pairs are only 2 digits number which are having these values. Okay, except these numbers, there is no such pair. There is no such pair which will have a proper upside down value. Okay, so since now see how I got to know all these things, it's by observation. Okay, we see, first of all, I found out these pairs, I found out these values, and using these values I created all those possible values which can be made. Okay, so basically it's done by observation. Moreover, see what I'll do, if this question can be solved even using even using for loop, like, but the thing is you should be knowing that these are the only possible numbers which will give you the correct answers. Okay, you have to be and these are the values which can be either generated or it can be used as a brute force. So the code which I'm going to explain you is basically a brute force code. So let's write the code and input. Okay, so basically where I'm taking the input difference value. Now see, if difference is equals to 9, if difference is equals to 9, then in that case what I have to print? In that case I have to print 0 1 space 1 0. This is what I have to print. Okay, similarly if difference is equals to 86, then what I have to print? Then I have to print 06 space 90. This is what I have to print. Similarly, if difference is equals to 51, if difference is equals to 51, then print what? Print 09 space 60. So basically what I'm doing is I'm writing all these things. See, if difference is 9, then I have to print this. If difference is 86, then I have to print this. Similarly, if difference is 51, then I have to print this, and so on. Okay, so this is, I'm calling this code as a brute force code. Difference is equals to 42. Print 19 space 61. If difference is equals to 75. Print 16 space 91. Similarly, if difference difference is equals to 72. Print what? Print 0 space 18. Similarly, if difference is equals to 21, print what? 68 space 89. And if difference is equals to print 86 space 98. Similarly, the last one, print 66 99. Okay, so these are the entire values, okay, which I have written using if elif conditions. Okay, and yeah, we can even go with for loop. Okay, we have to go for two. Means if you want to know the other way of solving this question, then thing is we can go for two for loops. Okay, what we can do is we can create a dictionary. Okay, dictionary of this type, and then we can go for two for loops, and from those for loops we can generate the numbers, and then we can subtract those two numbers and check whether their difference is equals to the given difference or not. If that is the case, then print those values. We can even go for that also, but the thing is over there the time complexity will be very high, okay, as compared to this code. Okay, so this, I guess this code is having O1 time complexity, which is the lowest time complexity. Anyways, it's a very simple question. Okay, you can even go with this way, and there are many other ways also which I'll be providing you in the PDF. So you can get those other ways also from there. But I like this one because the time complexity for this one is very less. Okay, it's very less. Just the thing is you need to figure out the difference. Once you are able to figure out these numbers, then easily you can create these pairs. Easily you can create these pairs and then find out their differences and just write it like this. Okay, so this is the entire code for today's Vpropel question. Thank you for watching it.